Hello guys, what's up? What's going on? In this video, we are going to see how you can implement the accordion with the help of Material Design Bootstrap version 5. So this accordion we are going to build, and if you click on accordion 1, you will see the content of accordion 1, and if you click on accordion 2, the accordion 1 will get closed. So at a time only one accordion will open and other automatically will get closed. So this accordion we will build in this application, and this is the second video in the series of Material Design Bootstrap version 5. So I have already created a playlist, and if you haven't watched my first video, that is based on the form validation with the help of Material Design Bootstrap version 5. And guys, you can always have an access of my GitHub repository, and at the end of each video I will update this repository with the updated material design component. And before jumping into the Visual Studio Code, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe this channel and like the video as well. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code. So guys, I have already created a file accordion under the component folder in which I am going to write the code related to the accordion, and this is some basic dummy data I have already set up here. So we have a title of accordion and the description of the accordion. So let's work on that. So first I will generate a React snippet, so RFCE, and this data will goes here. Let's put it here, and from material design we need some component. So let's bring that one, MDB React UI kit, and we need MDB accordion item and MDB accordion. And here we have to give some inline style, so style, and I am giving like margin top 100 pixel, and we'll have the MDB accordion, and this will also having a some style, and this will be like margin auto and max width 800 pixel, and we'll having a margin auto max width and align content center. So some of the styling I am giving from my end here, and here I need to map this data. So data.map item, and here I am going to use the MDB accordion item, and inside that I need to provide the collapse ID. So you can give the collapse ID the this title, so item dot title, and the description you can give here item dot description. And we also need to give one more props here, that is header title, and it will be like item dot title only. And we are going to use this accordion in our app.js file. So I have already bring that accordion component in the app.js file. I have to just use it here, accordion, and let's comment out this one. We are not using this one in this video, and let's go into the browser. So it's not working. Let me see what is the issue. Okay, so we need to use here this way actually. You can use this way also. So either you can give this one, this bracket, Okay, so that was the issue. That's why it's not coming in the browser. So let's go into the browser. Now we are able to see the accordion. Let's see whether it's working or not. So it's working as expected. So guys, we have built this accordion with the help of Material Design Bootstrap version 5. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe the channel as well. More video will be included in upcoming days, so stay tuned, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye bye.